All right, what an interesting period staying online at this time. To my intelligent students that have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, it's very vital. The reason is we have a lot to learn. And if you don't subscribe, you won't be able to see other videos. Interesting thing is that subscription is free. Just press the red button, press the bell also. Go to the comment side, put all your questions. Then we shall begin to learn some rules in naming hydrocarbon. What are the rules in naming hydrocarbon? Look at it. Number one, locate the carbon atom of a given compound are bonded together. Locate how the carbon atom are bonded together. How are they bonded? Is it single bond, double bond, or triple bond? Count the number of carbon to know the parent's name. That's rule 2. Count the number of carbon to know the parent name. Let's go on. Identify and locate any functional group present in the compound. How many have I given now? 3. Number 1, you know how they are bonded together. Number 2, count the carbon atom. Number 3, then you know the functional group that they are bonded with. Number 4, identify the longest carbon chain. This chain is called the parent chain. Number 5 now identify all the substituent groups appending from the parent. Now, number of carbon of the parent chain, number the carbon from the parent chain that gives the substituent of the lowest number when comparing the series. Let me explain this a bit. If you have a 5 carbon atom and there is an attachment on number 2, maybe from the right, you don't need to count from the left. You have to start from that point that attachment is attached. That's why I read this rule again. Number the carbons of the parent chain from the end that gives the substituent the lowest number when comparing a series of numbers. Do you get that? Another rule is here. The series that is the lowest is the one which contains the lowest number of occasions of the first difference. Now take this again. If 2 or more side chains are in equivalent position, assign the lowest number to the one which will come first in the name. If the same substituent occur more than once, the location of each point on which the substituent occurs is given. In addition, the number of times the substituent occurs is indicated by the prefix as di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, etc. If there are 2 or more different substituents, they are listed in alphabetical order using the base name. Ignore the prefix. The only prefix which is used when putting the substituent in alphabetical order is iso, as in isopropane, isobutane. The prefix sec and tat are not used in determining alphabetical order, except when compared with each other. If chains of equal length are competing for selection as the parent chain, then the choice goes into series. The chain which has the greatest number of side chains, the chain whose substituents have the least lowest number, the chain having the greatest number of carbon atoms in the smaller side chain, the chain having the least branch chain is considered. So these are the things you should put on your mind as rules guiding the namings in hydrocarbon. Thank you for viewing. Put your questions down